Hi dear children, how are you all? Must be fit and fine. Today in this video we'll start with the lesson 15 patterns. This is the last lesson of second term. Okay? Lesson 15 patterns. For this open page 183. But before starting patterns, first I'll explain you what are patterns. Okay? Chapter 15 patterns. This you can write in your copies, and this there is no need to learn it. This is just to make you aware about patterns. Okay, a pattern is the repeated or regular way in which something happens or is done. A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals over a surface. Okay, see, so we'll start with the book exercises. Exercise 15.1. Observe the given patterns and draw accordingly. Okay, see, these are the patterns. See the shapes, and we have to draw it accordingly. These shapes are given. See, this is a circle, then this is the shape, again circle, again this shape, again circle, again this shape. Okay, these places are, it is not drawn here. Here you will draw like ma'am. Okay, see, next pattern. See, this is the pattern. Multiplication sign is here, plus sign is here, again circle, but see the difference in between, and then draw according to that. See, this. Okay, next see the shapes. This shape, then different shape, same shape, then again different shape, then draw like this. Okay, see here, see the faces. This is the face, then again smiling face, then again same, repeating regularly, then this. Okay, draw like this. See here, first design, second design, again first design, second design, draw like this. Okay, draw like this. So this is very simple and very interesting. Okay, after the session, draw like this. Now come to the next page. Open page 184, exercise 15.2. See, these are the leaves, this is a flower. 1, 2. Again repeat it. Leaves, flower, leaves, flower, leaves, flower. Okay, draw the places which are not filled. Then come to the next one. Triangle, circle, square. Again triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. Okay, the places where nothing is drawn, draw like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Again repeat 1, 2, 3. Again repeat 1, 2, 3. Come to the next one. Here only one shape, then two shapes, then three shapes. Okay, then draw like, after 3 what will come? 4. Okay, draw 4 shapes, then 5 shapes, then 6 shapes. Okay, come here. This is 1, this is also 1. Here these are 2, this is also 2, these are 3, these are 3. Okay, these are lines. Draw 4. After 3 what will come? 4. Okay, 4 here, 4 here, 5 here, 5 here, 6 here, 6 here. Okay, come here. How many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only 3. 1, 2, 3. Here draw 2 and here draw 1. Okay. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very interesting and good exercise. Come to the next one. Exercise 15.2, question 2. Study the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. Study the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. Here 2. In this line we have to leave 1. After 2, what will come? 3. Leave that 3, then 4 will come. Leave 5, then 6 will come. Leave 7, then 8 will come. Leave 9, then 10 will come. Leave 11, then 12 will come. Leave 13, then 14 will come. Okay. Leave 1 and you will write like this, and you can say it table of 2 also. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Then come to the next. Here also leave 1. 1 is written here, 3 is written here, 5 is after 1. Leave 2, then 3 will come. Leave 4, then 5 will come. Leave 6, then 7 will come. Leave 8, then 9 will come. Leave 10, then 11 will come. Leave 12, then 13 will come. Okay. Come to next. This is table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I know you all know the table of 5. So write table of 5. Then come to next line, table of 10. See 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, this is table of 10. Then here you have to do according to backward counting. Before 22 what will come? 21. Before 21, 20. Before 20, 19. Before 19, 18. Before 18, 17. And before 17, 16. Okay. Then here table of 11. See 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. I know you have not done the table of 11, but it's very easy. It will come in next classes. After 10, then you have to learn table of 11. And table of 11 is like this. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77. So this is the table of 11. See this. Then come to the next page. Page 186. See, again we have done the book exercises. Now same, let us revise. Same thing what we have done in previous pages, same we will repeat here. Complete the sequence. Flower, leaf. Again flower, leaf. Flower, leaf, flower, leaf. Okay, see 1, 2, again repeat, 1, 2, again repeat, 1, 2, again repeat, 1, 2. Come to the next line. This circle, this is a square. We have to repeat it. Again, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. So 1, 2, repeat 1, 2, repeat 1, 2, repeat 1, 2. Come to the question 2. With the help of pattern, fill the missing numbers. We have done in the last page. 45, table of 5. This is table of 5. 45, 50. After 50, 55. 55, then 60. 65, 70, 75. This is table of 5. This is still 5 tens are 50, 5 11s are 55. Okay, like this. Then come to the next line. This is, see, leave 2. 21, 22, 23, leave 22 and 23, then 24. Leave 25, 26, then 27. Leave 28, 29, then 30. Leave 31, 32, then 33. Leave 34, 35, then 36. Leave 37, 38, then 39. Okay. Here leave 3. Leave 3. Okay. After 11 what will come? 12, 13, 14. Leave these 3 numbers and 15 will come. Then leave 16, 17, 18, 19 will come. Then leave 20, 21, 22, 23 will come. Then leave 24, 25, 26, 27 will come. Then leave 28, 29, 30, 31 will come. Then leave 32, 33, 34, 35 will come. Okay. Do it like this. Very easy and interesting exercises, just like fun. Okay, then practice worksheet, complete the pattern. Same we have done. This is for one box and design inside, then two boxes, then three boxes, and then four we have to draw here, then five we have to draw here. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Here three flowers, four flowers, then five. Here we have to draw six flowers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here seven flowers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now here this is circle. See, two designs are here, then here add two more, then four, add two more, then six, add two more, then 8, add two more, then 10. Okay, see, you can count also. So here 2 4 6 8 10. Come here, this is one leaf, then two leaves, here three, then after 3 4 will come. Here we have to draw 4. 1 2 3 4. Here 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 stars. Here 1 2 3 4 stars, then 3 stars, and before 3 what will come? This is backward. 2 stars, then 1 star. Okay, come to the next one. This is the last page of this exercise, this lesson 15, pattern. Then mental maths, complete the following pattern. This is backward, again backward counting. 68 before 68, 67 before 67, 66 before 66, 65 before 65, 64 before 63, before 64, 63 before 63, 62. Okay, now here this is 90, backward minus 10 80, again minus 10 70, then 60, then 50, then 40, then 30. This is backward table of 10. Okay, 90 80 70 60 50 40 30. Then see, here we have to draw the design. This is one circle, two circles, then one, then again two, then one, again two, one. Okay, here one line is drawn, here two lines, here three lines, here we have to draw four lines, here we have to draw five lines, here we have to draw six lines, here we have to draw seven lines. Okay, then HOTS, study the pattern and fill the missing numbers. Fill the missing numbers. Here 24, we have to go backward. Leave 23, then 22 will come. Leave 21, then 20 will come. Leave 19, then 18 will come. Leave 17, then 16 will come. Leave 15, then 14 will come. Leave 13, then 12 will come. Okay, see. So, we have done the chapter 15, patterns. This is our last chapter of the second term. We have done our syllabus. Tables also will come. Tables 2 to 8. It can come in whole also, and it can come in dodging also. So, from the next video, we'll start with the revision. I hope you all are studying at home. In math, so many times I have told you that practice is very, very must. So, do the practice regularly. Don't skip your studies. Every day do the regular practice. Don't waste your time in watching TVs and playing with mobiles. Okay? Listen to your parents, respect your elders, and do the work regularly. Okay? After the session, complete your work in books, and one definition I have given in copies. That also do it, that you don't have to learn, just to understand. Okay? About patterns. Till then, bye, take care, be safe at homes, and obey your elders.